This is a special story for somebody I know who loves bee-bots. Wally the Robot Vacuum by Donna Mealy. Wally is a robot vacuum whose job is to keep floors clean and bright. He could clean at any time of day, whether it is morning or at night. Whenever Wally sees a mess, it will not be very long until Wally leaves his charging dock and sings his special song. Beep, beep, ding, ding, spray and wipe, picking up the dust and dirt with each and every swipe. Look at that big pile of cereal on the floor. Wally takes a quick pass through, and soon there will be no more. There's a puddle in the kitchen, a drink spilled from a cup. Wally sprays the water from his tank and mops the mess right up. Oh no, what's that in the path? A toy is up ahead. Wally sees it right away, and his light quickly turns red. Beep, beep, ding, ding, the toy makes Wally stop. He pauses first and makes a turn, and then continues to mop. His job is almost done, just a few more passes to complete. Wally has done a wonderful job keeping the floors clean and neat. Wally's battery light is blinking. It's been a long day cleaning messes, small and large. He heads back to his docking station, ready to recharge. He's made it back, and now it's time to mark this job as done. Wally backs into his charging station. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The charging light turns on. Time for Wally to sleep. Beep, beep, ding, ding, beep, beep, sleep. Time for some fun. These next few pages are filled with fun mazes. Help Wally reach the mess at the end of the maze so he can clean it. The end.